Eagles Downtown Zahabia Beach Resort, Hurghada, Egypt. Located in Hurghada, 2 kilometers from Paradise Beach, Eagles Downtown Zahabia Beach Resort provides accommodation with an outdoor swimming pool, private parking, a garden, and a shared lounge. Featuring room service, this property also welcomes guests to the restaurant, a water park, and a terrace. The accommodation features a 24-hour front desk, a concierge service, and a currency exchange for guests. All units are equipped with air conditioning, a flat-screen TV with satellite channels, a minibar, a kettle, a shower, 3 toiletries, and a wardrobe. Every room is fitted with a private bathroom with a bath, while some rooms will provide you with a kitchen with a fridge. Guests at the resort can enjoy a buffet or a continental breakfast. Because Downtown Zahabia Beach Resort offers a children's playground. You can play darts at the accommodation. Ilzaki Beach is 3 kilometers from Eagles Downtown Zahabia Beach Resort, while New Marina is 4 kilometers away. The nearest airport is Hurghada International Airport, 7 kilometers from the resort. Eagles Downtown Zahabia garners high marks for its cleanliness, with guests frequently lauding the pristine conditions of the rooms and gardens, despite occasional reports of dining areas not meeting the same standards. The service is often described as welcoming and attentive, although there have been instances of disrespect noted by some travelers. While the rooms received mixed reviews, ranging from comfortable and well-kept to outdated and lacking, guests generally approve of the amenities, including the clean beaches and variety of activities. The atmosphere is praised for its informal charm, yet opinions on value for money vary among travelers. Eagles Downtown Zahabia Hotel Beach Resort provides guests with 102 rooms appointed with soundproof windows, along with a mini fridge bar, and coffee and tea making facilities. Bathrooms are appointed with a walk-in shower, a separate toilet, and a bath along with guest toiletries and bath sheets. They offer views of the pool,